Reggae interviews. Word sound power.
We are here at Buzwakk Studios in London with a true veteran, a singer whose music has carried messages of reality, struggle and upliftment since the late 70s. In 2025, he presents a brand new album entitled Behold. It's a real honour to be reasoning with the man they call Roy Anthony Johnson. How are we doing today, sir?
Yeah, it was very nice day today with sunshine in London and things and around the veteran them like Bucky, Bunny, Diley and the rest of man them around here. You know, see it in a Brixton, you know, see it?
Of course.
Yeah,
of course.
And vibes nice, you know, today, you know, sunshine and things.
Yeah. Well, I think, you know, as we said, that here for us from Reggae Interviews, it's a real honour to be sitting with somebody that I think is one of the icons in Jamaican music.
Yes, from Trenchtown days, you know, go right up to Maxwell Avenue, Walton Park Road, Payne Avenue, seeing name places where I trod through, you know, see Tivoli, Jungle, Rima, all over, east and west in Jamaica, from country to town, Montego Bay and Negril and all about Westmoreland and everywhere. And singing and play these songs like Stereograph and Kilimanjaro, you know, and Scorpio and Jammies. Name sound.
History is big. The history is definitely big. Now, today, I want to reason about things past, present and future, because I always feel as though it's a real honour to be sitting down with somebody that has been making music for decade after decade, and here in 2025 you have just released this brand new album, a powerful set of works with Bucky Joe.
Yeah, Bucky Joe is a very great youth. See, one of the best youth in England. Saying and him do good things to good people all over the world. Saying right now, him the leading producer right now in England, where I produce lots of people like Lila, me, and many more artists, and himself my producer. And this album what come out named Behold, Bunny Lila get a great help with me and Bucky too, and the whole away. And this album here is one of the leading tune now, Whole Million, and the album. And Randy Valentine's again, Behold, and many more tunes on the album. And it's a great album, and it's the first album Bucky Joe produced with an artist. Me, Bucky first producer, him producing the first album with me, and it's very good for a young youth like him do that, you know, because a lot of people in England not doing producing again.
True.
It's only Bucky Joe right now are the top producer, and him have the top music in England right now. You know, see it, and he's a very great youth, and people must follow him, saying and look up to him. You know, see it as a producer and a singer and a DJ. Yeah.
I mean, Bucky Joe, he gave the world a sneak preview of this album. I think it was last December when he released the title track, Behold, featuring another young artist, Randy Valentine. Big song that is.
Yeah, we do all a video with it and things over Rasta House and things. It was very good. The album is growing, you know. And a lot of people listening to this album here, especially with the tune them call name Whole Million and all them tune there on it, and Randy Valentine's and me, and Junior Cat with Dance All Nights again on the album. Many more hits and some of Dennis Brown tune on the album too. But it's a great album, and it's Bucky mix it and things, and it's doing well. And I just hope that it go bigger and grow, because a lot of people nowadays now, them are listening to certain type of tune where it's not really good. But when you listen to our new album now in England now, it's one of the best album right now, and the best 45 and the LP now right out. And Bucky coming a new album too, we're gonna be great. So we look out forward to this album I reach right on the top, that we can get an award for it, you know, see it. Yeah.
The actual title itself, Behold, to me it sounds very powerful, but also at the same time it sounds biblical. What inspired that title? Who came up with the title for the album, Behold?
Well, Behold is a thing where like I bless, you know, see it, where things come through through spiritual vibes. Seeing, and the Father is always send a messenger out there. Jah always send a messenger to make a name certain song, and it's the album is a blessing album. That's why it named Behold. Saying it a show you say Behold, a new music coming out with Vulpa vibes. it's like a family album. So in that vibes, it just behold to the people them. You know, see it, and it's a good blessing tune, you know, and the album is very great. Mix good and good quality and good vibes, and Bucky do a lot of works on it and things, and Lai too. We all have to work together and things, and we're trying to get ourselves up there, bring back the music business back all over the world, not even England alone, all over. And be the top in the business, producer and everything, because nothing not going on in England for us, so we have to try to make the youth them nowadays saying, no, say Bucky do a produce tune and him can come around here and do a lot of new tunes and things, and you know, be all album and things, and yeah, it's great.
It's great.
Yeah.
I mean, just like many of your earlier songs, which were inspired by real life struggles in Jamaica, what real life experiences influenced some of the lyrics on Behold?
Yeah, well, Behold is that thing where I show you, say, the thing where go on, you have to know, say, right now, soon the prophet shall close his mouth in the last days. But now we still know, say, right now, we open up our self back and try to bring back the business strong in the music business. That's we can know, say, the generation still is there. We're doing like what we did do from the past now to the present. Seeing, so me used to sing certain tune and have certain inspiration. It's the same way we not lost them inspiration there. Them inspiration there is coming forward, and we're getting better and better in the business. Again, because we not deal with slackness and certain things and corruption. We deal with righteousness. Saying, because we say I just Jah live every time. You know, say it.
Yeah. I mean, to me, I feel that the album really connects with the times that we're living in, whether it's in the UK, whether it's in Europe, in America, in Jamaica. There's a connection because songs like Problem,
yeah, that is a great song.
It's a great song because I think that anyone in any four corners of the world can actually relate to that song. Yeah,
because Problem is a tune where it's like it have certain vibes from mentality. Are certain things where people in a problem, seeing. So that album, that tune named Problem now, is a good tune on the album because I love that track too. Seeing, because that track shows a lot of people who have mental problem, bad boy problem, woman problem, all kind of problem. Seeing, so that dedicate to all of the people them. If you listen to the message, you can hear it. Problem. Oh, that's it. It's a good tune and things, you know. And we're glad that all the album really or Bucky do it, you know. And because it was very good, that album. It had many different vibes in it, you know, see it. Yeah, and inspiration. Yeah.
There's also a big collab with Bucky Joe, the song called Hard Road. Again, I feel that sort of like, really sort of like is relevant in the times that we're living in.
Yeah, that thing about struggle, you know. Yeah, that tune, they have whole heap of vibes in there. If you listen to the words of them tune there is very good inspiration, you know. But the album growing, you know. So people will listen to it and know, say right now, this album, when you listen to it, you will learn how the album have different vibes and things. So
different moods.
Yeah, different mood and things. And you have Lovers Rock and with Dennis Brown sing some of the tune, and it's a good album. It's a good album.
Yeah. Did you write all the songs alone, or was there like a collaborative element in the lyric writing?
Well, it's a collaborative inspiration between me, Lila, and Bucky Joe. We work together, and them give me lyrics and me find my lyrics, and that's the way it go.
I mean, I kind of feel as though this collective of artists that are working here with Buzwakk Records, people like yourself, Bunny Lai, some of the younger people like Real African, Christopher Ellis. It seems like you have like a real sort of like, I don't know, it's like a real sort of like tight unit.
Yeah, it's a family thing, you know. Yeah, the album is like a family too.
Yeah.
So the inspiration in the album is like a unity together with like a family. The whole of we work together like how we used to do it in Jamaica. Seeing, so we there here so right now, and we keep on getting ourselves established in the business. Seeing together like how Cox and them used to do it on Channel 1 and you know, dynamic, federal and the whole of them. So we're getting back that inspiration round here amongst Bucky them and things and make sure everything we do is good and upful and right. You know, see it?
Yeah. What about some of the musicians that are involved in this project?
Well, some of the musicians them, me not really know some of them still, but Bucky know them and things, and Bucky know some of them are good. Like Black Steel, yeah, he was one of them where do harmony and G vibes.
Okay.
And some other girls on the album. Those are the people who help us with the album too and things like me say, like a family thing, same way. So the whole of we work together.
Yes.
As one, you know, like a bird of a feather.
Yeah.
We stick together, you know, in every weather.
Yeah. Now, I know that here in the background, we've got another elder in the music industry, Bunny Lai, and you've got a big song that's on the album, the song called Hold Your Lane.
Yeah, that is the biggest tune right now in England right now, where Bucky Joe produce. 1 million, seeing. I know, you know, and stop complaining. Yeah, but I one of the biggest tune right now and thing. I hope we can get an award for that tune right now. Because that tune they make people, it not the long road alone, you know. Just run the steering side up on the highway. Be careful how you drive on the highway. You know, see it, you walk me high and look and take your medication and all them kind of things there. But it's a good tune. Seeing?
Yeah.
It's like you're in the ghetto still and you're there on your corner and you hold your lane same here. And I watch if anybody come, that's all. So it have a lot of inspiration with the road and the ghetto same way. Seeing? So everybody just hold them lane. Because the biggest tune right now in England right now at Aguan. You know, see it?
Yeah, and that rides a really powerful recut of a rhythm from Studio One days, I Hold the Handle.
Yeah, with Leroy Sibbles and Earl and Barry. Yeah. That is a bad rhythm. It have enough inspiration. 1 million. Good tune. Yeah. And Bunny Lila do a lot of writing in it, and we and Bucky Joe and the whole away. We work together, and the tune is bursting. Big tune. Yeah. You know.
Yeah. And you know, if we go from one side, so we've got elders like Bunny Lai on the album featuring with yourself. We've also got people like Real African and Junior Cat. So the Real African song is called Keep a Good Man Down. Big song on the Guiding Star rhythm. Yeah,
that was a very good time. Because Real African is a good DJ too, you know, and things. And we're glad all of my brethren them on the album to feature and things. And we work like a family together, and it's doing good.
It's doing good.
Yeah, it's a good album and thing, you know.
One of the things I really love about this album is that some of the rhythms that you've used, they're not like your regular rhythms that kind of get do-over every year. So, you know, when we look at like songs like Tune In, that's utilising a Slim Smith rhythm track from 1968, the Happy Times rhythm, big rhythm that doesn't really kind of get recut often.
Yeah, them tune there is a great tune, like Tune In. 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock rock, you know, you give them some DJ vibe. True, with a man where me around the sound system, me learn for DJ too. And just like, because I love DJ, I love sing same way and things. So that's why I'm glad. Whenever I know that Bucky, I put that tune up on the album. Seeing that DJ tune, but it sounds good. It's good. Yeah.
It does.
Because, you know, the youth, them listen to all different type of music and thing. So I'm glad to say that tune up on the album, but it's good. It's a good tune.
Yeah. I think what I like about the album is that there's a song for all kinds of moods and all kinds of people.
That's how we want the album. That's how we want the album, you know.
Yeah.
It fit all kind of different parties. You know, I have Lovers Rock on it, Your Man, all them tune there, bad tune them, you know. But as I said, the album take a time grow and people listen to it and then we get to love it more and more, you know, see it. But it's a very good album. Things I hope him can produce more album like that and things, and female album soon come out and things, so it's gonna be nice, you know. We're glad everything will flow right, you know. And we have to keep together and stick together and, you know, make people love you and people, you know, do things with you and things, you know, see it. Yeah.
Bucky Joe, he's been producing music now for quite a few years now, and I know that you've been working closely with him for a number of years now. What is it about Bucky Joe's productions that you really appreciate?
Well, Bucky Joe to me come like when we there Jamaica and the monks, Jojo them run a Channel 1 and all them man there, and the monks Cox and them and the whole of the man them as producer. But you know, Bucky Joe is a young youth, and I saw Cox and them used to young when them come up and them start produce them tune and well, Bucky Joe give them enough inspiration. You know, see it. Enough inspiration of the music. And remember me everything about Jamaica as a young, because every producer start young, you know. Coxon start young, Jojo them start young. So I saw Bucky Joe come young, so and him a develop the business in it. Yeah, and him a move forward in the business. So people have to watch know and know say him a the Dan now. Saying that him have the Dan tune them now. Yeah. So that's how we keep together as a one family, you know, see it, and things going good for it, you know. Yeah. Because we're going to survive and we're going to make it right on the top. We're going to have people who hate we and people who love the same way. So, a good over evil, my brother. You know, see it, yeah.
I know that he's been working with so many artists, and to me it feels like when an artist comes over from Yard, they have to pass through his studio because the vibes are there and the energy's good.
We are the top producer, you know. Bucky Joe are the top producer, so right now every man have to come here so come see where I go on and things. Any man that come from Jamaica have to come around Bucky, come see the vibes and feel the vibes and know the vibes and know say we are the top people them around here so right now in a Brixton, you know, see it. So we have them that have to hold them lane too. Saying I saw the thing go, you know. Yeah.
Okay, a question for you then. So how do you compare the studio vibes here at Buzwakk Studios to some of those foundation studios that you worked in the 70s and 80s? How do the vibes compare?
Well, it equal because you know why it equal, because it's the same thing, you know. Everybody start young. So true, everybody start young as a producer. Bucky family my Jamaican and things, and him have the vibe same way, so it come like everything I fly through the same inspiration. Saying somebody have to rise, you know. Saying so Bucky rise in London, you know, and things are Brixton, so and Bunny Lai side away and things, and everything I go nice. So it don't make no difference because the same vibes, everybody have the same vibes, you know. You know, see it, and Jah with we all the time, you know, see it. So Bucky, as a youth, him have enough inspiration just like the man him down a yard too. Saying, I saw it go, you know, see it, because somebody have to start young and then develop. Yeah. And, you know, I just saw the thing go, you know, see it.
You started out in the late 70s and early 80s in an era of Jamaican music that is so special to this day. What was the energy like as a young singer trying to make a mark back in those early days? Well,
me born at Trenchtown, that's where me come from, 4th Street. Seeing, me grew up amongst all the musicians, them and the singer them. Seeing, me know Bob for talk to me carry all Bob Marley family to him. Seeing, me know Alton Ellis, me see them amongst them family. Me know Ken Bo, me know the whole of them, Delroy Wilson, one of the great artists.
Higgs.
And all, Joe Higgs and all, Randy's, you know. Me know the whole of the man, them and things. Saying because so Trenchtown is a place where big. Yeah, 4th Street, 2nd Street, 3rd Street, we're right downtown. Great guys, like we know them all, them man, them used to go along a Higgs West and things, and amongst Greg with them, and Greg with them love way. Bob Marley, enough man I know say Bob Marley have a record shop right round a West Park, Greg guys like used to there, you know.
Wayland Solon record.
Yeah, but enough man I talk about it. Remember me used to go around a Bob Marley shop where me used to have record shop.
Yep.
Me used to go around there, go past, when me there around a Gregory sometimes, I go around a Bob Marley shop. And then sometimes there a Bunny Lee shop down a Orange Street. See, and then they will come out on the front of there are Randy's. You know, see it? And all these record shop, we used to go around, sometimes we go around there and go dance. When the tune them play, we stay at the front part and a dance. Down at Spanish Town, we used to have a record shop too. We used to all dance in front of the record shop. Okay. So it give you the vibes. And I saw we pick up the vibes and things and with amongst the musicians. And we learn to play guitar and then learn to play drum and all them kind of. Because we used to call me drummer, because we used to play drum too. Seeing in a band and all them things there. But we let the drummer and start sing. And we sing in our group, me and the Mystic High. Yes. Perilous Time. and all them group there. And me lead one of the tune named Life Is Not Easy on the album. And Les Clark was one of the lead singer. Him there and things. But it was a good inspiration in there. And my yard was a dance hall yard where all the sound them used to play in 15 James Street. An Indian man named Bayer used to own it. Come seeing it was a big yard, I'm on the yard. And there's a stereograph used to play Tipper Tone, Papa Root, Emperor Faith, Sir Percy, seeing King Doctor and all them sound they used to play back. Because I'm born in the day Rocksteady. Seeing I'm born in the 50s. Seeing when no artists born 57 too, like me, but a different year. But it's like a golden age. Yeah.
When you talk about things like Bayer's Yard, what memories come through right now?
Well, that memory coming like say me should have won a sound too. Okay. Because I listen to sound system from them there, the scat there. Saying, and we say, but why? When we reach Big Man, we say, but we should have one sound system too, because them time they have steel on and tube amps and all them things there. Yeah. But me just come pick up the music. That just inspired me to do the music, and the first song we sing is Africa. We've got to board the ship and go to the 7th sea. And Jah Thomas DJ pan it said, Natty Dreadlocks International. Natty before me do Gunshot and all them tune there.
That was for Linval, wasn't it?
Yeah. That tune there. And the first time I hear that tune there, I want to cry. I want to come because I say about if me can sing sound and everybody I hear my voice or sound so. And I say blood time I can do greater than that then. And I saw I start sing for other man and things and Rusty make Jah Thomas know me because when me used to sing for Linval, you find say Rusty International. Yeah, he make Jah Thomas know me and Rusty tell Jah Thomas when he go to Jamaica, him to look for a youth named Anthony Johnson because I'm sound like D Brown. Saying and them time them amongst the Orthodox dread them down a Selassie Drive. Saying the Rasta man them down there and a pan a land there, pan a piece of land down a Payne Avenue here. And I so them come find me and I so me start sing in another group but me I sing long before that. Saying
I thought that you recorded your first ever single for Bunny Lee.
Yeah, the Bunny Lee. But Bunny Lee never put out that tune there because Bunny Lee them used to produce so much artists that some of the tune them don't remember.
Okay.
So when I say Bunny Lee and say, you remember that tune the way me did do for you and him say, yeah, but him can't find the tape.
Right, okay.
Because Bunny Lee did have so many artists around him at that time there, and Bunny Lee is a man you're lucky when you could get him to sing for you. You could sing for Bunny Lee because them the man there was tight producer. See, anytime you sing for them man there, you're turning a hero. Yeah, you know see it because just like Coxsone, when we used to go for Coxsone, we never sing no tune for Coxsone. Because Coxsone I say come back. But true me is a man now where Coxsone have too much man round him. I couldn't bother go back to Coxsone and then I go down a Dynamic or go down a wait name there. Down a Federal and all them place there. You know see it. And then me meet up on Channel 1 now where so I go do Gunshot. And many more tunes. Yeah. And then sometimes I run a Tubbies. Because I know when Jammys I work with Tubbies as an engineer. And Tubbies will be there on the corner and fix amps. Them days there. That time Jammys not have him studio yet. And them time I sing for Linval. And Linval I asked Tubbies, so how you the sound? And him say, yeah, Anthony Johnson sound good, you know. And Tubbies, because Tubbies is like a quiet little man. He always listen. He's a man who not do him amps. I fix him arms and Dan Carlos live right in front of the Tubbies. Yeah, him and Goalie Dread. They live over the next side. Yeah.
When you were recording those singles like Africa, were you still living in Trenchtown or had you moved out of Trenchtown by then?
Yeah, I did move out of Trenchtown, and live by Maxwell Avenue.
Okay.
Seeing and things and then we go Portmore. Because when we left Trenchtown, we go Portmore go live. Because my mother did know some people who have a Portmore, some of our family. We go down in a Portmore lane, me used to live. Uri used to come pick me up in Capri.
Okay.
Saying he used to drive a Capri car, Uri. And when the man them see me, say Uri come down there for me and and thing come pick me up. The man must say, me never know say you're a singer, Anthony. And now Carl Bradshaw is a man used to come on my yard, come pick me up too. And carry me go all Negril. Go sing for the tourists, them Ozzy, yeah, okay. Ozzy. And my key brother, me used to live at Garvermead, Ozzy them. So I pay top people used to come around on me in a Portmore lane.
Right, okay.
Them time the Portmore never looks up. Portmore was like Pierre Bush and Kane Peace and all them something they know. Now Portmore Town City.
Yeah.
You know, see it. Never even know say cartel come from over there too.
Yep.
Them time they mama say a baby when them time there. Saying, yeah, me never even know so them man they come because when me there pan there Portmore, it was like a swamp place, you know. Dump up land them, you know. Saying when rain fall, so the whole light wash away. Saying, but me never like over that place there, but through Trenchtown get bad now and people start move from Trenchtown and some live at Pian Avenue, some live at country, some gone all over the place. That's all. Because Trenchtown not the same again like one time. I used to go to Trenchtown school, over them places flat now, war and all them things there. Yeah. From Michael man, the pass through Trenchtown that mash up. Yeah, me I tell you, enough people run away, you know. Who no run away dead, who not run away to prison, some they are foreign and all them things like we. Yeah. But it was good time in a Trenchtown because when in a Trenchtown you're not hungry, in a Trenchtown, you have your friend live at 1st Street, 2nd Street, 3rd Street, everybody a cook food. So by the time you reach your yard, your belly full. Seeing? Because everybody a cook food over there so and a pass you. Seeing? So you don't have to cook nothing. You know see it? That's why Bob Marley said no man no cry. Yeah, every ghetto in a Jamaica did nice at the time because people share and have love together. After the gun now start coming now, saying you find it part up the people them together. But we never need nothing because the only thing you have in a Jamaica them time there that ghetto man is the police them used to beat you up. When you come from certain area, them when police hold you, them all beat you up and say you're a thief and robber and all them something there. And I respect you. So but if you live at Red Hills and them place, the police not trouble you. But if you live certain part in the ghetto, in a tribe, you say, where you come from, boy? You say Trenchtown. I pay beating. If you live at Red Hills or Stone Hill, you can pass through. You can bust through. You know, see it. That's how it goes, you know. Yeah, but, you know, with your experience life, because thank God I'm alive here, so right now. You know, see it, round Bucky and things. Because enough of my friend them dead off and who not dead off, run the gun, who not run to get whole and mash up. Now we are big man and we still strong and I look good same way and you know, keep up because so we know it. And that's how it stays, I will say, as what big youth say. Sitting on the dock of the day. So it stays, I will say.
I mean, I think one thing that I sort of feel is that even when we listen to this new album, Behold, your voice has maintained that same richness. And in the early days, there was always comparisons vocally to the Crown Prince, Dennis Emmanuel.
Yeah, because you find, say, we're jaggy, you know, nothing man can take it. Saying some man lost them voice and some man can go back and do the same thing. But some people, they have to live forever. Saying, with them, you know, sing and have the same voice. But some artists lose them voice. Saying, but thank God me and my voice same way. And thing and sing same way and if the more me sing the more better me get. You know see it because me have the energy and have the feelings. You know see it although me a big man right now and things me still strong same way. You know see it and I look and live up same way. You know see it. Yeah man.
What was it about Dennis Emmanuel Brown that you really sort of looked up to? What was it about his voice?
Well, Dennis have a voice boy we're different. And me love every artist because Delroy Wilson was a great artist though. Sagley they call him Delroy. But Dennis have a voice where him can manage everything. Just him talking alone make him Dennis can just talk and it sound like a sing him a sing. But him have that's why Bob called him the Prince of Reggae. Just like Bob too. Bob is a great artist the way. Bob sometimes tune them a hear Bob no sing them, you know, I talk him a talk, but it sound like a sing. Saying, but the way him talk it, the way him do it, like him mother say, every man have a right to decide his own destiny. For in this world of trouble, it's like a talk, but the way the rhythm go around it, it's like a sing.
Yeah.
I saw the singing there because enough tune I hear Bob where people think I sing it. Him not talk, but it sound like a singing. But the musician them around him, even Gregory too. When you hear Gregory, meet me at the corner, tang 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 tang, down in Payne Avenue, you know. I like it like that, you know. It sounds like I talk, but
True.
the way him do it, it's skill. It's a skill. Delroy again have a next style where him say, I can't stand it, baby, I can't stand it. Ooh, I gonna find some place to go. Say you don't want me no more, I can't stand it. And you Jackie me too. I can't stand it. Baby, I'm gonna find some place to go. Say you don't want me no more, I can't stand. And you Jackie me too. That's how music stay, man. I tell you, music have life in it, just like DJ. Seeing big youth sing a DJ tune and say, I pray thee. Why did Eden rain and the people imaginate such vain things? Fall judge and ruler shall come together. Jah Rastafari. You know, and the musician them round it. Because the musician them back up the artist, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, when you have a good musician and a good artist, it combined together. Seeing our next great artist here, Hansman used to have is the man them call him Danjo Man.
Yes.
Danjo Man was a very great Hansman. Him and the one them call him Tommy McCook and all them man there. And Dean Fraser and all them man there. Did great, man. And you have the drummer behind it like a Sly and your ass mouth. Had the bad drummer them man. And Gregory Isaac drummer again. Jesus and peace. Them man they bad. So me have to respect the musician them too. Because him say singers and players of instruments shall be there.
Yes.
Saying and chanters shall be there too. Yeah, because Peter touch him can chant, you know. You have a lot of tune that Peter do like Amharic. Him can speak Amharic, you know. Peter, because a lot of tune people don't know say Peter touch chant. You know, see it back in the days. Yeah, so music thing is very great, man. Powerful, man. Yeah, so our thing right now is up.
Yes.
And we are keep it up and things, and the whole album I got be the biggest album right now, and with Bucket Joe album too, and Bunny Lila album, and a Piet Missile album I put out.
Most definitely. Now, every artist has got one producer where your output together feels like a really strong partnership, and I think for the people that are watching today, Jah Thomas is the producer that I think really helped to push your career to where it is now, so that you're still here making music. Do you remember that first song that you recorded with Jah Thomas, Loving a Woman?
Yeah, that was D Brown that sing the tune name, sitting there watching fools fight themselves. They will always thinking of, and then me come out to that tune, you know, name. I know everything about loving a woman. A woman need a on the same rhythm, and Jah Thomas I say, you know here, say half cask and clear, you know here. Say come and get your share. Me send the girl Janita figure read the meter. She a clean chaparita. And I listen to the Twitter. You find that same rhythm there. Well, yeah, because them time you have like competition. Sugar come out to that tune, and the next man I come out to that tune, and you have part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Yep. Every time a man come out to that tune, the next man find some other lyrics on it. And I saw the thing did I go.
Yeah. To me, it seemed like people like Jah Thomas, Linval, Thompson, they seem to be really sort of ahead of their game in terms of getting into production at a very early age. Would you agree with that?
Yes, I mean, just like Bucky as a youth, where him find the right thing going.
Yes.
And him loving music, because many times I see him in the studio and him sitting in the studio try to find vibes and things and be around him and things. And him loving music. saying he don't get himself in bad company and things and get himself out with certain mix up and all them things there. Saying, and that's how we work together with, and Lila to be well around one another and things, and we just trying to get things good and the youth them follow away and start, develop music and things, and we have great singer come out of England and Jamaica and everywhere. Saying again, so we turn the corner again and uplift everything.
Keep pushing forward.
Yeah, and people come to we and we help them and things and produce tune with them and and things. We just go and keep on going, As Curtis Mayfield said, keep on trying.
Yes.
See it, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, for me personally, I feel as though when we look at producers like Bucky Joe, I think that they've been inspired by some of the producers of the past, and they want to sort of put their own stamp on the music here in 2025 as well.
Yeah, that's what's going on.
Yeah.
We try to rise up the music back again, like in the old days.
Yes.
Saying because enough people now do like what Bucky do right now. Saying because them get lazy and them don't know the business. Saying them get lazy in England and things. But we there now rise up. See it, and we are going to keep going up and up. We now non-stop. See it and things. So we have to just go and fight it. See it. Yeah, And I hope that lot of youth come. We help them if they want help and things. See it. So I saw the thing go,
Yeah. I mean, like going back to the work that you did with Jah Thomas, I mean, you had so many big hits, Jaffe Come and Me, Strictly Rubber Dub. Every time I hear the music on the shoulder move, got so many big songs. And then we've got this massive anthem, Gunshot. Yeah. Was there a particular incident that inspired you to write those lyrics?
Yeah, because I used to sing Lovers Rock them time there in England, and I get best upcoming artists for the year in England already for the Lovers Rock. So Jah Thomas come back to Jamaica and say, boy, I sing too much Lovers Rock, I sing something about gun.
Okay.
Saying change the pace. And I saw me go through in the ghetto them time there and things. And I grew up amongst enough gunman and all them things there and things. And them things they give me inspiration, and I see enough people dead by gun thing and all kind of things. I write the tune and thing, and it become a national hit all over America, England, Jamaica, everywhere in the world. I'm still a survive over with that music and special and all kind of things right now. And it make me tour all over the world and things and be knowing. It come on all BBC News. When I used to work for Islington Council, and me on the news with BBC One News. With Gunshot. So we get a lot of life through that tune. Yeah. Because some artists are going to get 1 hit or 2 hit and them not get no more hit, Because every artist have the biggest hit, It might be 4 hit, 5 hit, 6 hit. At the biggest tune, like how Michael Jackson sing Thriller. Saying, so every artist have a limit amount. Some have all 10 hit. Like him pick up 10 awards, 10 hits after that and that. So I saw the thing go. I just a gift, I mean,
that song's actually been featured on movies as well, hasn't it? The Bank Job.
Yeah, Bank Job movie. Yeah, that was a big movie too, and things. But, we just keep on going and things. And I hope we get better tunes and better tune, better and better. Yeah. And things. I'm glad that everything around Bucky Joy and things. And we have to just keep going and things. And if we can find some done now, we can help us go through and things, we can write again and fight the struggle again. And move to different level, see it and things, see it, because I saw it go. We don't want to no ism and schism with nobody, and nobody can use it, because we now going to make them things happen to it again. Because we learn the business, saying, and we take the business from a different level. So nobody now go use it and come around and things that them can't use it. That now go there. Whether show business, recording business, or music business, especially, we now take them use thing there again and not this thing. We are going to stand up on our foot right now. Who want to come and who want to do, them can't get if we do certain things, them go. See it? I just saw we are doing it now. Different road, Yeah.
I mean, like talking of dub plates, I mean, like, your voice still sounds impeccable, whether it's on the album or whether we hear you on specials across sound clashes across the world as well. I mean, you know, I think if you don't have Anthony Johnson in your dub box, you can't call yourself a sound.
Oh, no, yeah, because a lot of sound never used to do no dub with me. But when them looking at them back, them not seeing Anthony Johnson, them say, but wait, where them youth they there? And them realize that them have to have a dub plate with me. So I saw them get to find people around me, and them find people, and I saw them have to put back some. Because them time when me used to sing tune, you know, used to have a thing them named limited edition.
Yes.
When Jah Thomas them come a foreign and almost producer, them go press out 500 or 1,000. And from that, from them get 6 months in the country, them not press no more tune. And them tune, young few sound man have them tune there. That you call it limited edition.
Yes.
So when enough man know some of the Anthony Johnson them when we sing, because them never get them tune there because it was limited edition. And now them get them realize that them tune there was out. So them do it pan special. Because sometimes some man call me for do special and them say, me have the Anthony Johnson, them know you hear it yet, you know. More you do it pan a special for me. And that's how I get to sing it. Me have to recover some of them, me remember some of them.
Okay.
Because them do long time when me a little youth and things, and you know. But well, if them I revive back now, because a lot of people ask me for special and thing. From the money right, me do it, you know, say it and thing. But we don't take no this, you know. Yeah.
Isn't it amazing how all of this music that you made back in the 70s and 80s from this island of Jamaica has spread so far that you get contact from people all over the world asking for certain songs that you might not even remember recording. It's amazing.
Yeah, that is it. Yeah, because some of them tune there you do so you take one cut. Because when we go studio sometimes some of the rhythm them we do, them not make it a man just say, listen them two rhythm here Anthony Johnson. And me just take one cut and do it. Me never hear about the tune again. Like when you do a special. So when me come a foreign, me come hear the tune. Release all 10 years ago. Okay. I saw them things ago.
Yeah.
So some of them young do 8 tap. You know? Right. One chat and I hit that.
Hit that, yeah.
Like you take a little chat at a Cane Island, you wait name there. It burn you upon your throat and you go
yeah. I mean, that debut album that you recorded was called Gunshot. That was back in '82. Straight after that, you came with another LP called Reggae Feeling. That had the big songs like Natty Dread, Coming Out of the Dance, Settle Down, the title track. Then you recorded another album. I think this was for Rusty International. Had songs like I'm Ready.
Me do another album for some Italian.
Okay. That was a bit later on though, right?
Yeah. Me do couple of albums, but me never do not too much album again. A long time me never do an album. This is the first album me ever do for a long time with Bucky Joe. And it put me back on the market back again, you know, and things. So people can listen to this album, you know, and know say the whole album is a great album now, and that is Anthony Johnson saying, and Bucky Joe and the family, the man Bonnie Lila and Junior Cat and the whole of it, and Real African. Yeah. And you know, it's a great album.
It's a great album.
Yeah.
From your point of view as an elder, who do you hope hears Behold the most? Are you looking for the long-time fans to hear the album, or are you looking for the youth to actually embrace this album?
Well, I look for everybody to listen to the album. You know, see it, young, old, anybody, because the album now, I show you how great an artist I sing from so much years, and the age of me now right now, I sing same way like when me has 16, 17, and I still have the same voice. Saying, and me I sing powerful thank Jah for all of these things. Because I still can sing the same way like when me a youth. Saying, and it's a good thing, a great thing, because enough man can't really sing tune and whole note like how we are in our age. Yeah, because you know see it. So give praises unto the Most High God, Jah Rastafari, for everything. All the glory and the blessing where He give us. Saying, and I hope we manifest and be in the business forever and ever until Jah ready. Saying, yeah man.
And you're still really busy, I think, outside of the work that you're doing in promoting this album, Behold. You're still out there busy touring, performing as well, stage shows.
Yeah, man. Strong same way. You know, see it. We still a keep up and I hold the vibe same way. But yeah, me still a do it and things, and me not give up. Me a tour same way and things, and the business is gone to a different level now, so we have to take it on a different level now. And thing, but thank Jah for everything, you know, see it. Yeah.
When you say the music's gone to a different level now, what exactly do you mean?
Yeah, because the young generation, them now, them like all Popcorn and the whole of them, yeah, and Cartel and the whole of them, the business changed to a big degree now, and people are respect reggae music in a different way now. Seeing reggae music become value. Seeing, so I don't know how the promoter them are gonna work it out now with money thing and things with. And because it look like say you can carry an artist going to pub again. Seeing, because you have to talk about carrying in a park. Yeah. We have 5,000-7,000 people there, you know. You know, see it? Because the thing gone in our money business right now. You know, see it? So if I promote any artist, I have to know say the money have to big. You have to have enough money for the producing business. Yeah, I think so. It's gone big now. So we have that me say we have to put it on a bigger level right now, because money thing now, reggae music a big international money thing. And I like the old days where people not get, but you do penny for your song. Saying now you have to do thousands. Saying because if a man do a show with me right now, he have to give me some good money right now. Saying. And you know, see it, well, million, because it show business can buy all private plane now, you know. Seeing? And all kind of thing. I don't know what heap of thing now. I don't know idiot thing. So you have to take it all the level. You have to look on it on a big level. In a year you're rich. You know, see it. You know, we had on 16 years or 17 years. 1 year you're rich out of it. You know, see it. Yeah, a big thing now, my brother. So if I'm gonna call Anthony Johnson or Bucket Joe or the whole way or lie, you know, you have to have big money to deal with show business here right now, and no joke thing. Else you're not gonna see us. You know, see it. You're not gonna see us, and you can't cuss and say what you want to say, but a money business now, you can't buy a plane out of private plane out of reggae music now. Because I never know if Bob did have a private plane. See, and Bob can sing. Bob could sing on the four corners of the earth. Hear him, and him couldn't have a private lane. Cartel them come buy them things now and big in no time. Not even 6 months them take. May I tell you, my brother. Yeah.
Different times that we're living in, right?
Yeah, different sense, you know. Everything value now. Seeing, if you buy a house and all them something, then now, you know, you have to have money and certain things. Just like the footballer, them and all, and they sitting there. You see them man, the blood cleat when them have all them private house them. Some of them never live in it. I see some houses, some footballer one blood cleat and murder, I tell you. And so a man we do music now, we have to know say right now a money thing. Everything gone up, everything raised, everything this, everything that. Yeah.
But I think that when we put all of that together, the message in the music is still there. When we listen to people like Bunny Lai, listen to people like Anthony Johnson, Earl 16, so many people, and the message is still there. It's about positivity and upliftment. Yeah,
Rastaman vibration, positive. Because enough youth tonight no get nothing out of it, you know. And them don't know where to turn to get it. Saying, but if you're amongst the right set of people, you get it as what Jimmy Cliff sing at you and say, we can get it if you really want it. And you must try and try. It's a seed that's last. Yeah, so them tune they are reveal, you know. What I from the wise and the prudent now reveal to the babe and the suckling. Saying, so that I go on now, the little youth them now. Now wait for nothing, them just get it. And some little youth rich.
Yes.
And them born in a richness, some born in a richness, some lucky, some not lucky. You know, see it, but everything I turn, good over evil, my brother. I saw the thing I go. Yeah.
Well, look, we give thanks to you for sharing an insight into this brand new album, Behold, and touching a little bit into memory lane, going into some of the history as well. What's to come now for the future for Anthony Johnson?
Well, we have more tune coming out and things soon for the Christmas.
Okay.
And things, some wicked tune to come out too. So we still keep everything together and keep on going. Seeing, so out of Buzwakk Studios, we have enough more tune coming out. And things which Buzwakk have an album soon come out and things, and we hope to do more tune and together and work together and build up yourself. Yeah, you know, the business back again. You guys are new, they are done, you know. So we just hope that everybody can come around and we help them and say what we can do, you know, for the future.
For the future.
Yeah. And wish you all the best and thing, and thank you to really come here and do this interview here with us. Feel good and things, and because you live a far place. Saying what?
When you love the music though, you don't mind travelling?
Well, yeah, I do a lot of traveling. I travel all over the world. I do a lot of traveling, live life, and go in a certain hotels, and you know, music, you know, live like a king. Yeah, go at some place where people that dream to go. Yeah, but you know, tour business is very nice at certain place and things, you know, experience and all kind of thing. But you know, it's very good. So we're wishing to go forward and not backward.
True.
And praise the Most High God, Jah Rastafari, Emperor Selassie the First, you know. Zion I God, seeing, and we live forever. Seeing Jah live. Yeah.
Anthony Johnson, it's been a pleasure and an honour. We give thanks from Reggae Interviews for you spending a little bit of time sharing a little bit about your art, your career, and also the new album, Behold, 11 tracks, and it's out everywhere on all digital platforms. Enough blessings.
Yeah, man. Thank God for the eye, you know. Reggae Interview, saying, thank God for the eye, and Jah bless the eye too. Saying, and Jah wish this album here right now is the biggest album you know right now. We keep going, and Bucky George, Jah bless him and thing, and Bonnie Lila, big up Earl 16, Rat Taylor, the whole of the Virgin them. Saying, Jah live, saying, and bless up everyone in London and Brixton all over the world. Saying, I'm an Anthony Johnson, live. Saying, bless my brother, one love.
Respect,
yeah, man, one love and one heart. Jah live, you know, see it, yeah, man.
Reggae Interviews. Word Sound Power.